Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for September 2nd through September 8th, 2019. We're already in the month of September. Happy September to everyone. I love the month of September. It's such a powerful month. So we're going to dive right in. The energy of September is all about change and transformation. It's a month that is a catalyst for propelling you forward to the next big level of your goals and dreams. And so a lot of things are shifting and changing, but in such a beautiful way. You might already be feeling that you're excited and you're not entirely sure why. There's that excitement energy in the air because you are sensing, you can feel that things are shifting, things are starting to accelerate, but in a more grounded way, so that you're going to start to see more significant progress and you're going to feel a greater sense of fulfillment because it's getting you more into alignment with your soul purpose, with sharing your truth, with sharing your gifts, with shining your light. And we have the powerful equinox this month, autumn equinox in the northern hemisphere, spring equinox in the southern hemisphere. The equinox is all about balance. So another key energy for September is really getting you into balance with the energy of giving and receiving, which is also the energy of divine masculine, divine feminine energy, which is also the energy of action and surrender. Now you need both of these energies and they need to be in balance to manifest your big goals and dreams. And in addition to that, it's all about a balance of balance within your life. So if you feel like you're getting drained, you're working too much, or you're just not feeling fulfilled by your work, or you're pushing too hard and you're not taking care of yourself fully, or not getting enough time for rest, relaxation, for taking care of your health and your well-being, for having fun, for being creative, for doing the things that light you up, you need to get that back into balance. It's going to be made clear to you where things are out of balance this month. Okay, so pay attention to the intuitive guidance and nudges that you are getting to bring things back into balance. Okay, and you can start with small steps. It doesn't always have to be a huge shift at once. The smaller steps will lead to bigger changes. Okay, so with that in mind, let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3 now. And make sure to tell me what number you chose in the comments and let me know how the messages resonate with you. So here we go. Number 1 is all about radiating a high vibration and radiating the energy, stepping into the energy and radiating it outwards of your next level self. So this is really important for manifesting your big goals and dreams. One of the most powerful ways that you can become a magnet for this is radiating the energy of what it feels like and what you would be acting like and what thoughts are going to be going through your mind, and just being in that energy of what you will be like when you embody this next level version of yourself, this version of yourself that already has the bigger income, already has started your own business, already has your dream house and living in your dream house, already lives at the beach. Whatever your goal is that you're working towards, make sure that you're not focusing on, but I don't have this yet, but I haven't accomplished this yet, but it's taking so long. Are you going to be saying all those things, thinking all those things when you have your bigger house, when you have your bigger car, when you're making 6 figures in your business, when you are living at the beach, or traveling the world, whatever it is that you're doing? No, you're going to have different thoughts. You're going to be thinking of all kinds of different stuff, and that is not what's going to be going through your mind. So take a look at that, examine that, and see where you might not be fully in alignment with this, where you might not be fully radiating and embodying this energy of the next level of your goals and dreams. Okay, if you chose number 1, let me know in the comments and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 2, this message is for you. This is all about weaving a beautiful web to accomplish your goals and dreams. So think about your manifestation as a beautiful web that you are weaving, where every layer, every piece, every string that you weave Every step that you take is creating this beautiful, magical manifestation. It's creating something that is absolutely in perfect harmony, that is in perfect balance, that is totally magical. And you can't see the bigger picture. That is the point, because you're meant to have trust and faith that every step that you take is being guided. This is really about trusting yourself and also like feeling the fear and doing it anyway. Because the difference between people who reach their goals and the people who don't is that the people who reach their goals do not let fear stop them. Do not let all these thoughts that come in of like, what is the point? I can't see the bigger picture, so I have no idea if this is working, all that kind of stuff. They don't let that stop them, and they keep putting one foot in front of the other and moving forward no matter what, because they know when they do that, that is when things shift, that is when things come together, that is how the web is woven perfectly, beautifully, magically, in co-creation with the universe. If you chose number 2, let me know in the comments and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 3, this is everything is interconnected and infinite. So there is no beginning or end to anything. This is all about the ebb and flow and the continuous cycle of life, of energy, really. To remember that you are part of this continuous cycle, that we are all part of one greater whole, interconnected whole that makes up our entire universe. And so if you are feeling a bit stuck, if things feel like they're not moving as fast as you'd like, or maybe one door seems to have closed, the angels, the universe want you to know that that's not actually an end, as in that's not the end of your goals, that's not the end of your dreams, that's not the end of your potential. That's just part of the cycle of things, and that there's going to be the next door that opens up. There's going to be other opportunities that are better, or if it's something that's more like if things feel a bit stagnant or you're slowing down. So what this might feel like is things are being grounded more, and that can sometimes feel like you're not moving as fast as you'd like, or it can be you having to address any, things that are out of balance in terms of giving and receiving. And the receiving energy can sometimes feel difficult if you're not used to it. That's more slowing down and being patient and letting go and going within a lot of the time. So they just want you to be aware of this, to always remember that it's so important to create this balance and harmony of ebb and flow, and that everything is interconnected, and that you have infinite potential always, and your potential is growing all the time. Those are the messages for number 3. If you chose number 3, let me know in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. If you haven't already picked up my free money magnet meditation, go ahead and do that now on my website. The link is below. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys back here next week. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.